Going on, my Atomic Auto Work friends. So if you go to atomicautoworks.com, you're going to be noticing we are changing things up a lot, simplifying things for the better for us. Through COVID, it's been a nightmare building custom parts for people. And even though we're known for building custom parts on our website, we're dialing it back, and we're only going to be selling kind of our baseline products, the top selling ones, the ones that we're going to be able to have in stock and produce quickly and have them readily available. So for our car seats, it's going to be very limited. And for our motorcycle seats, it's going to be limited. Obviously, we do custom work. That's what we do. We've been doing it for over 20 years. We want your business. We need your business. That's how we survive, and we want you to have cool stuff. Problem with having cool stuff is it's been a nightmare getting products for the last 3 years because of COVID. So now the way we're working it is, in order to have something custom made, you're going to have to go through. We have an appointment ticket, and some people like it, and some people love it, and some people don't like it. And I understand it. The most common problem or question that we have is, not even question, demand. The most common demand we get from customers is, well, why do we have to leave a deposit to order a custom part? You should have it in stock and should have it ready to ship. And unfortunately, that's just not the case. There's too many options available. There's too many materials and styles and designs and all that. And two, it's hard to sell something custom made specifically for someone. If we build it, the odds of someone else wanting it, it's very, very slim to none. So what we're doing is we have our appointment ticket. With that ticket, you're going to purchase the seat pan, the seat foam, and the material. This way you have the purchased product, and then at the end, we'll finish the custom job off. When it's ready to ship, you pay the final payment, which is your final bill, and the items ship out to you. This is the way we're trying to keep it good for you and for us, because obviously if we start building a lot of custom products and we finish them and you don't pay for them, we're stuck with them, then we can't sell them, so we go to business. And vice versa, you purchase something from us and we don't provide it, that's not a good thing either. So this is kind of our way of trying to keep everything on the up and up, transparent, black and white. Again, we love building custom stuff for you guys, but we're trying to keep it so that it's a little bit easier. There is a backlog for custom stuff, so if you can't wait, you can just order one of our everyday products that we stock and then, have it, enjoy it. They're really cool products. It's not like there's anything wrong with them. They're really great. But for some of us, we really like personalized items, and I get the desire for custom products. If you do want something custom, what you do is you hit us up. You say, hey, this is what I want, and then we'll say, this is our next available build time. This is the day that we're going to build your product. If you're good with that, then we send you a link for your Atomic appointment ticket, and that just basically purchases the raw materials. And then on that date that we told you, we're going to build it, assemble it. We'll send you a picture of it. You approve it. We ship it out to you. Well, you pay for it. We ship it out to you. And then everything's on the up and up. This way we have a little bit of security that you purchased the products from us, and that all we have to do is finish it up for you. And this way it's kind of like, it's fair for both of us. If you don't like that, we understand. There's other places you could do business with. We hope you want to do business with us because we love what we do. Please remember to like, share, follow, subscribe to see more information about Atomic Auto Works. Thank you.